Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem of cannot see other computers on your network in Windows 10 or Windows device, Windows computer. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So first you just have to go to your search bar and search for control panel. After typing control, the best match should be control panel here. So you have to open the control panel app here. After opening the control panel, say your view just in large icons. So you have to choose large icons here, and then now you have to choose network and sharing center. Now open up the network and sharing center here. After opening the network and sharing, you just have to choose the change advanced sharing settings here. Now in the guest or public, you have to choose the turn on network discovery and also file and printer sharing. Say you want to share a printer from other network or other computers, so just have to turn on file and printer sharing also. And also for the private here, you have to turn on network discovery and turn on file and printer sharing. So both private and guest or public here, you have to choose turn on file and turn on network discovery. So when network discovery is on, the computer can see other network computers and devices. So you have to turn on the network discovery. So now you just have to click save changes, and you can just close out of it, and you could just restart your computer for good results. So that's it guys, this is a very easy and simple tutorial for you. So hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.